Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this analyze of these games here in Women's Speed Chess Championship 2025. So it means today is semifinals of this top 4. So how many clocks here within 5 minutes and 1 seconds increment, so it means blitz chess or it's called by online chess. So 2 games analyzed here from this one. And also between from this Grandmaster in Russia is Katerina Lagno versus Grandmaster in China Hu Yifan. So after of this first game, later second game between Grandmaster Juan Jun versus International Master Polina Shovalova. So it means later from this next second games here. So it means in this part of these videos here, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this game number 2 from this blitz in women's speed here. So white plays Lagno is e4, c5 Yifan Sicilian, knight f3, d6. So these are the main lines is used by knight to c6 by upcoming by Rosolimo bishop to b5 or maybe here by e6 French defense. So it means Yifan by d6 by moves by pawns and also d4 captured exchange variation, knight f6 threatening by e4 by pawns and also knight c3 g6. So it means upcoming by dark square bishop, upcoming by bishop to g7 and also bishop e3 by determinations by develops by knights and also bishop g7 by upcoming by ready by castling kingside by Yifan by preparing this one and also f3 and also knight c6 by counters attacks by knights or ready by captured here and also queen d2 by preparing by castling queenside by Lagno and also castle kingside by Yifan, castling queenside by Lagno and also pawn to d5 by captured this pawn, takes, knight takes captured or maybe without idea by counters attacks by knights or ready by captured by knights here. And also knight takes captured, pawn takes captured and also bishop d4 by develops by defense by knights and bishop takes captured, queen takes captured and also queen b6. So it means, so according by said by Grandmaster Judith Bulgar, so it's called by accelerated white dragon from this one. So according this one to play this online chess between Lagno versus Alexandra, so it means these are called by accelerated white dragons. So it means it's called white dragons or without queen to queen. So without queen to queen or without queen to queen. And decided Lagno is knight a4 with idea by threatening the queens or maybe here by without queen to queens. So ready by counters attacks and ignoring by Yifan. So for example, why don't we queen to queen here? Queen to queens here. Queen takes d4 and also rook takes captured. So it means etc etc. These are the good examples from these whites and blacks here from this one. And the back there ignoring by Yifan, queen c7 here and also a3 by according said by International Master Jovanka Hauska and Grandmaster Judith Bulgar. So it means the a3 by pawns, these are a novelty. So according by recording by chess.com database, so it means none out of this booklet novelty. So these are the old main lines here. Good novelty is first is knight to c5, queen to h4 and also bishop to c4 and also h4. So h4 is a first, second, third or fourth novelty, old main lines here. So it means the new novelty by pawn to a6 by is not found on this booklet. So it means these are pawns by according said by International Master Jovanka Hauska and Grandmaster Judith Bulgar. And also rook d8 without rook d8 by Hu Yifan with idea by move side by knight to b6 or counters attacks by knights or opening by rook threats the queens here. So these are the examples here from this one. and also bishop c4 by ready by threatening by knights here, and also bishop f5 by upcoming by sacrifice. So sacrifice by pawns here, so it means these are according by counters attacks here by sacrifice, and also bishop b3 defense by pawns here, and also knight b6 by opening by Hu Yifan, or ready by captured by knights here. So ready by captured by knights by opening rook threats the queens. So these are the according this continuous, and also queen e3. Without the idea by go backs by knight to d5. So without queen e3 by Lagno, or with the idea by Ifan, decided this one knight to d5. So these are the next move by maneuver from this one, and also knight takes captured. So for example, so why don't we move knight to d5? So it means threatening the queens here, and also queen to c5. So queen c5, if you queen f4 check, and also king b1 force move. According said by International Master Jovanka Hoska, so these are the examples here. So slightly goods here from this advantage here. So it means advantage from this one. So back there, this one is knight takes captured by knights here, and also bishop takes knight, and also pawn to c5. So it means without move by c5 by Hu Yifan, so it means does not one of this computer engine by Stockfish by Hu Yifan. So the one's computer, this one is rook captured accepted. So rook takes captured accepted, and rook takes captured. So etc etc. These are advantage from blacks and whites here from this one. So back there is pawn to c5 by Hu Yifan here from this one, and also h4 brand X move by Lagno. So the branded move, this one is g4 pawns by counters attacks by bishop. So according this one, advantage from whites here from this one. So back there, this one is h4 by Lagno, and also rook a b8 brand X by Hu Yifan. So the branded is push to c4. So push to c4 here from this one. So it means etc etc here, advantage here by blacks here. So it means advantage. So back there, this one is rook a b8, and decided this one rook takes captured, takes, and also pawn to h5 by ready by captured by threats the pawns, and good move rook d4 by Hu Yifan. What a good, slightly goods here without idea by counters by attacks by bishop here from this one, and also bishop b5, and also queen b6, another bad move by Hu Yifan. So it means the best moves there, this one is pawn to a5 here. So pawn to a5 here from this one. So advantage from blacks here. So back there, this one is queen b6, and also bishop e2, queen f6, another third bad move by Hu Yifan. So the best moves there, this one is queen to d6 here. So queen d6 here from this one. So it means, so etc etc. These are the good slightly advantage here by blacks here from this one. So slightly advantage here from this one. So back there, this one is queen f6 by Hu Yifan, and also g4 by threatening by bishop. So it means, so good precise by Lagno, threatening the bishop. Bishop backwards e6, capture this pawn, bad move. So the best moves there is bishop to d3 here. So without before, capture this pawn. So capture these pawns here from this one. These are the slightly advantage from whites here. So back there, this one is capture this pawn, takes, and also pawn to g5 by threatening the queens here. So threats the queens here from this one, and also queen f4 without queen to queen, and Lagno takes queen, rook takes, and also king d2 without king must be active by without king, and also rook d4 check, king e3. and also bishop to f5 with idea by threats the pawns without c3 here from this one. And also, oh, that's too much, so it means another bad move by Lagno. So the best moves is c3 here. c3 is a threatening the rooks. So threatening the rooks here from this one. These are the threats here. So slightly good examples from whites here. So it means c4 by Lagno here, and also rook d6, pawn to b4, rook e6 check, good move, king f2, rook a6 by threatening by pawns. So it means with idea by Wu Hifan. And also capture this pawn, rook c6 with idea by threatening the pawns or without captured by. These are the ugliness pawn structure here. And also rook c1 without develops by defense by pawns, and rook takes captured pawns, king e3, or maybe one idea by moves king must be active by king d4 or attacks the rooks. So slightly examples here. And also pawn e5, c4, capture this pawn, check, king takes captured, and also f6 by counters attacks by pawns, captured, king f7 by attacks the pawns here, bishop f3 with idea by bishop to d5 check. Check here. So slightly this one by maneuver. King takes captured, bishop d5, and also pawn g5 check, king e3, king e5, rook h1. So it means with idea by maneuver is moved by rook h5 or threats the pawns. So these are attacks these pawns here from this one, and also rook c8, or maybe without, I don't know, this one is rook c8. So these are the connecting the bishops here. So it means, so rook c8 here, and king f3, rook b8 with idea by move side by rook to b3 or check, counters attacks by check here, maneuver, and rook e1 check, king d6, rook e3, pawn g4 check, king g3, bishop d7, and backwards, and also king f4, rook f8 check, king g3, rook h8, or maybe without idea by rook to h3 without check, because these are these defense the pawns here. So these are the pawns, or maybe without bishop here. And also king f4, king must be active, rook h3 without rook to rook, ignoring by Lagno, rook takes captured pawns, and rook d1, king c5, bishop g2, bishop c8 backwards, and bishop d5. So it means bad move. So the best moves there, this one is rook to d8, threatening the bishops here. So threatening the bishops, so slightly advantage for whites here. So back there, this one, bishop d5, rook a2, brand x by Wu Hifan. So the branded move, this one is rook a6 here. So rook a6 is a better scoots here. So slightly better from these blocks here, from this one. Back there, this one is rook a2, rook g1, brand x by Lagno. The branded move is king to g5 or king to g3. So it means king to g5 or king to g3. King g3 here. After this one is rook g1, rook f2 check, another brand x by Wu Hifan. So the branded move, this one is a5 pawns. So a5 here from this one. So slightly good examples here. So back there is rook f2 check, king g3 threatening the rooks, rook f6, rook e1 with attacks by pawns, attacks the pawns by a7, king b6 defense, rook b1 check, king c7, go back, rook a1, a6, pawn to c5, and also rook h6, bishop e4, rook h3 check, king f4, rook c3 attacks the pawns, c6, rook c5, rook h1 with idea by or move by rook to rook to h7 without controls, or without controls here, so it means without idea but threats here, so it means rook h7 without counters, attacks by check here, so rook attacks by check. And also a5, rook h7 check, king b6, rook h8 with idea by threats the bishop, so threatening the bishops here, and also bishop a6 here, rook b8 check, king a7, rook h8, or maybe without go back by here, rook h7 without check, so check by these counters, check here. And also pawn a4, king takes captured pawns, king b6, rook h1, bishop b5, rook e1, bishop captured, takes, rook c4 check, king f3, king takes captured bishop, king a3. So it means, so almost 3 seconds by Lagno and Yifan. So it means 9 seconds here. So king b5, king d3, king b4, rook b1 check, good move, king c5, rook go box a1, threats the pawns, rook b4, king c3 check, king c2, king b4, rook h1, and the last shot, rook g3, with a decided game number 2, a great draw from the semifinals. So the score from this one, 94.2 by Lagno and 94.3 by Hu Hifan. So the winner wins from points Hu Hifan. So the score from this Lagno, so it means, so the score from this one, so it means, so 8.5 by Lagno, by Grandmaster Lagno, and the score from this Grandmaster Hu Yifan is 12.5. So 12.5, so it means win by Grandmaster Hu Yifan. So it means eliminate by Grandmaster Katarina Lagno. So congratulations Hu Yifan by advanced by finals. So the next second game between Grandmaster Zhu Wenjun versus International Master Russia Polina Shovalova. So next of this game 2, let's see. Next, second game here from the second semifinals here. So between from this Grandmaster in China, Zhu Wenjun from First Women World Champion, and International Master, what's the name? Oh, International. So it means it's called by Russia here. So it means flag from this Russian. So it means International Master Polina Shovalova. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed of this second game from semifinals. Knight f3 by Zhu, knight f6 by Shovalova, c4, e6. So e6 here, so it means these are the main lines is used by c5. English opening here. So English opening from this one. So it means Shovalova is e6 here, and also b3. Oh, it's called English opening Anglo-Indian king knights variation from this one. So it means these are variation by this one, this pawn structure. And also d5 without counters attacks, and also bishop b2 by dark square bishop from this move by bishop to b2 by Zhu, bishop d6 by ready by preparing castling by Shovalova from this one, and also pawn g3 by light square bishop by upcoming by bishop g7, or castling kingside by preparing this one, and castling by Shovalova, bishop g2 by preparing castling by Zhu, by First Women World Champion, and also b6 by light square bishop, or maybe without move here by bishop to b7 here. So it means move by bishop, castling by Zhu, and also bishop b7 by precise by light square bishop, and also d4 by move by these continuations, and also knight bd7. So maybe without develops by knights here, and also knight c3, a6 by without move here with idea by move by b5 by counters attacks by pawn. So semi-close by these rooks behind, rooks behind, and also e3, queen e7, and also queen e2, and also rook fd8. So it means without designs or designs, these are the king designers here. So it means without marshals, or these are the blacks or whites and marshals here. Rook ac1, rook ac8 without rook pairs here, or maybe without pinning by here. These are the controls by pins. The rook to rooks here. Rook ft1, h6 here, and also knight b2, knight d2. So it means knight d2, or maybe with idea by knight to b1, or go back knight f2 and knight f3. Sorry, I got wrong notes here. So it means knight f3 by according said by Grandmaster Judith Polgar. So according this one to watch my videos in this research here. And also c5 or without doubles, or maybe with idea by captured or next captured. This one, these are the is called by crossing captured. So crossing, so cross here, so it means crossing captured here. And captured, pawn takes captured, knight c4 sacrifice, so it means none of this booklet. Novelty by Ju. The old main lines here is go back, so it means knight b1. So knight b1 is a old main lines, so good novelty. Knight c4 by new novelty, and good move bishop backwards c7, so it means decided by focusing by Shovalova need to backwards, so it means nothing by captured this one. So according this one by continuous, and takes, knight takes, and also bishop a3 by without threats the knights here, or without pinning. So pinning by queens here, or without controls by is called diagonals. So diagonals from this one, so diagonals by according this one by calculations by mathematicians. And queen e6 by ignoring here, and also bishop takes capture, knight takes, knight backwards b2, and bishop backwards b8 without bishop pairs. So these are said by Grandmaster Judith Polgar and International Master Jovanka Hauska. So these are the bishop pairs here from this one, for maybe here by knight pairs, this one knight pairs, so knight pairs or without one bishops here from this one, and knight ca4. What a good precise here with idea by counters attacks the pawns, or without rooks captured this pawns counters attacks the pawns here from this one, and decided queen e7 by develops by pawns defense, and rook c2, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4 is first given marked bad move from this computer, from this Shovalova. So the best moves there, this one is rook to c7. So with idea by battery. So battery from this one. So according this one by advantage from blacks here. So advantage from blacks. Back there, this one is knight e4 here, and battery Bran X by Chu and Chu. The banded move is continue bishop captured knight. So bishop takes knights here. So bishop takes e4 from this one. So back there, this one is battery rook dc1, and also bishop d6, knight d3, or without preparing by knight takes captured. So without, these are the batteries here, or without knights or capture this one. According this one by this continuous here, and also a5 another bad move. So the best moves there, this one is c4 push here. So c4, so push c4 attacks the knights or capture this pawn. So if you decided this capture this one, capture this pawn, and decided this one is d takes c4. So this d takes c4 here. So d takes c4 by according this one by threatening the knights here, or maybe decided, or maybe where do you move here, or maybe moves here knight to e1. So knight e1 here from this one without moves here. So slightly examples. So slightly better this one. So back there, this one is a5, pawn f3 another Bran X. Best moves is bishop captured knight. So bishop captured. So it means bishop captured knight again. So it means you need to capture. So back there's f3 here. Knight backwards, another bad move by Shovalova. So it means, so the best moves there, this one is c4, push again, so it means without c4, so it means these are the repeat from this one, so it means we need to push this semi-close here from this one. So advantage from this one from blacks here, so it means back there this one is go back knight f6, knight takes captured. Oh, so it means good precise by Chu and Chun. Bishop backwards a8, so it means without good. Knight go backs, rook takes, and also rook e8. No, rook a8 here from this one, and king f2, pawn g5, knight c3. Or maybe with idea by here, by move side by knight to b5 or counters attacks the bishops here. And also push to d4 here by counters attacks by knights or pawns. So threatening the pawns or knights, and takes, and good move queen a7 here, or maybe with idea by threats the pawns or check. So check by this one, according this one by said by Grandmaster Judith Polgar and International Master Chupanka Huska. So it means according this one by this research. Good move queen d2 by Chu and Chun, queen takes capture check, king f1, bishop b7, bad move. So the best moves there, this one is knight to d5. So knight d5. Oh, knight d5 here. So knight d5 here. So knight d5. So if you capture this, knight takes captured, and this one is queen takes captured. Knights. So it means these are advantage from blacks here from this one. So advantage this one. So back there, this one is bishop b7, knight b5, good move, ready by counters attacks by bishop or queens, or threats the bishops or doubles here. And also queen b6 here, threats the knights here, and knight takes captured bishop, queen takes captured, knight c5, counters attacks the bishop, and queen b6, another bad move, third bad move. Oh, what happened this one? So according this one, so it means these are the bad move. So that's not one of this computer here. So the one's computer, this one is queen captured accepted, and rook takes captured. So rook takes captured here from this one, and decided this one is bishop to c8. So it means, so etc. These are according by good slightly here from these whites and blacks. So back there, this one is queen b6 by Shovalova, and knight takes good move, queen takes, queen d4, Brand X move by Chu. The best moves is pawn to f4 by opening by threats the queens. So threatening the queens here from this one. These are the examples here, slightly goods from these blacks or whites and blacks here. So queen d4 here, and also knight d5, king g1, knight b4, threatening the attacks the rooks here. So threatening the attacks, and rook go back c1, rook e2, Brand X by Shuvalova. Means that, so the one's computer, this one is knight to c6 here. So knight c6 by threats the queens. These are the forgotten this one. So these are the threats here. So these are the slightly better from blacks here. So it means rook e2 here by threatening the pawns. So it means these are the knights counters attacks the pawns here. And good move bishop f1 by threats the rooks. Rook takes captured, bad move. So it means very solid this one. So it means, so the one's computer, this one is rook to e8. Go backs here, rook e8 here. So it means rook a8 is best moves here from this one. So back there, this one is rook takes captured, queen f6, another Brand X by Chu. So the one's computer, this one is f4 here. So f4 that from this one. So it means if you capture this one, takes and takes by pawns here. So it means these are the advantage from whites and blacks here. So these are advantage here from this one. So back there, this one is queen f6, rook c2. What happened? Wrong move by Shuvalova. So it means so the branded move, this one is queen to branded move is queen to b6 check. So queen b6 check here. So check here from this one. So it means forgetting this one. So it means these are the many wrongs here from this one, or continuations here. So back there, this one is rook c2, ignoring by rook d1, rook c8, and bishop c4 without movement or defense here, or threats the here from this one, or without counters here, or upcoming by mating net here. And also a4 here, sacrifice. So these are sacrifice. Queen g6 check. Oh, cannot capture this one. These are the check. So check from this one. These are avoid captured here. We need to check. And king f8, queen takes captured check, king g8, queen captured check, king f8, check, king g8. Many draws here. Oh, rook d4. So Chu and Chun cannot draw. These are the neat continuous here. Queen takes captured pawns. Rook f4 attacks the queens. Queen e3 check, king g2 check, king h3 check, and defense g4. Rook takes captured sacrifice. Without sacrifice here, so it means so sacrifice takes by rooks, one rook down by Shuvalova. So it means so Ju and Jun, rook and queens. So it means rook and queens here by Ju and Jun, and queens and knights by Shuvalova. So it means these are the no more rooks here. And also a3, without idea by push a2 or promotes queen. So it means without upcoming by queens here. And queen c5 check, queen e7 takes, queen takes, and rook f1. Bad move. So the best moves there is rook to e4 check. So rook e4 check here from this one. And decided this one is king to f8. So it's slightly better from this one. So rook f1, push a2, run x by Shuvalova. So once computer, this one is knight to c2 here. So coming this one, these are continuations here, so slightly better here. So back there is a2, rook a1, king d6, king g3, king c5, h4, king takes, h5, king b3, coming by here without move by king to b2 or threats the rooks here. So threats the rooks. And h6, almost there by Ju and Jun by push up, promotes queen with idea by here by h8 queen here. So it means king h8 and knight c2 without attacks the rooks. And the last shot from this one, rook takes captured, resigns by Shuvalova. So why she resigns? Because if you move by king takes captured, only move, and also push to h7, and also knight, if you knight e3 here, and if you do that here by move this one knight f5, so it means without moves or h8 queen, so it means cannot almost by moves here, so it means unstoppable by here by queens or blacks or pawns knights here. So it means lose from this one from blacks here. So the score from this one in this Grandmaster Ju and Jun is 17 points, and the score by International Master Shuvalova 8 points. I mean 5, sorry. So it means 5 points. So 5 points by Shuvalova. So it means eliminate by Polina Shuvalova. So congratulations, Grandmaster Ju and Jun was advanced from these finals. So I will analyze up this one, the top 2 of finals between Grandmaster Hu Yifan in China versus Grandmaster Ju Wenjun, same by teammate from this China. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Saturday. Bye bye.